you everyone for coming for spending time on our special day. And hindi ko alam na hindi ko pala mag-prepare ng wedding. First time. First time. And I hope you enjoy kayo. Sarap ng isip ko. And na-entertain kayo sa dance number namin. And what else? Meron tayong biro. Pwede kumain ulit. And thank you like for coming.
We would like to thank the principal sponsor, our parents, and our friends. Sobrang appreciate namin that you were all here to celebrate with us. Thank you.
Okay, James and Wes, thank you very much. So.